Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the Chrysler Group Certified 2019 Jeep Cherokee Limited 4-wheel drive. Stock number E2177P. Only 6,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Granite crystal metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group Certified, the vehicle will serve very strict 125-point inspection. To give you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper to bumper. And a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also receiving an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Seats 5, leather interior. Not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera. Along with rear parking sensors. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Body is free of dents or dings. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, oversized panoramic moonroof. Large, easy to read. Again, only 6,000 miles. With driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Along with heated seats and heated steering wheel. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. And that is, of course, where the backup camera displays. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Select terrain 4-wheel drive system, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, dimming mirror, power moonroof, and sunshade control, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 3.2-liter V6, 271 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway. They get only 6,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.